welcome back to another new video. This is me Saddam Hussein in front of you. Today I'm going to share a very important topic, and that is how to improve your English knowledge and how to speak faster in front of the people. First of all, I want to suggest some tips and tricks that I always try to follow to speak English or to learn English language. First of all, I want to suggest all the crazy English learners, that is, if you want to learn English at first, you have to start right now. And if you procrastinate, you will never and never learn English. You have to start right now. My first point is that here. And the second point is that speak as much as possible. You have to try to speak as much as possible. If you uh, always fear to make mistakes, you will not be able to learn English, and you will not be able to speak in front of the people. So you have to think in your mind that mistakes is very common at the first time to learn any kind of language. So you have to try to avoid shyness, and you have try to avoid mistakes when you speak in front of the people, because mistakes is very common. And my third point is that try to speak in front of the people or public place. You have to try to speak any other place or public place to learn your English language. The more you try to speak in front of the people, the more you will be able to boost up your confidence level. And my fourth point is that try to read books, and you have to try to read many kinds of English books at first time to improve your English language or English knowledge. The more you read, the more you learn. You have to read every day at least one or two pages in English language. That will definitely help you to learn your English language. And my fourth point is that listening. Listening is an important factor to learn English. When you try to listen English podcast, that will boost up your confidence level. That will definitely help you to learn your English language, and you will be able gradually you will be able to learn English or understanding English. So listening is a vital factor to learn English. When Dal Chandra Dada started in English language, he started first listening, and he tried to speak every day. He has tried to speak every day and tried to listening every day. That has helped him to learn English language. And finally, he has become the role model of every English learners. So I always try to follow the Chandra's speech and directions. That has definitely helped me to learn my English language. And finally, I have been able to speak my English language. So I don't want to make it more longer. Best of luck.